Hi, welcome to my craft room. Today I want to show you these Halloween treats I made for my grandkids. What I did was I started with a regular Hershey's bar, and I used some paper out of an old book. So I just ripped the side off because it was just a little too wide, and I ripped the top off because it was just a little too long. So then I inked the edges. Just made them nice and brown. And then I turned the candy bar over. And then I just folded it like this. Folded it like this. And I put some glue on there. Just made like a little wrapper for the candy bar. So then I inked the edges up top a little bit, grunged it up just a little bit. Made it look a little darker. And then this one I'm going to put a spider on. So I just glued the spider on top. And then I have some words and it says Itsy Bitsy Spider. So I'm just going to glue that on there too. And then make sure everything is stuck down. And that's my little treat for my grandkids. So I made a skull one, and I made another spider one, another skull one. And then this is just a label that you use on like the potion bottles. And I put it on there. You can put whatever you want, anything Halloween. All kinds of stickers or all kinds of things. Bats, pumpkins. Have fun with it.